A UN summit opening this week in Montreal is aimed at protecting worldwide ecosystems and averting potential mass extinctions of global wildlife. Negotiators from nearly every nation and thousands of organizations hope that the two-week summit, known as COP15, yields a deal that ensures there is more nature, animals, plants, and healthy ecosystems in 2030 than what exists now.
The biggest irreversible change to our planet is that we are driving species to extinction 1,000 times faster than they should be going extinct. You know, if you lose species, you can never get them back.
According to a 2022 UN Global Land Outlook assessment, more than 1 million species are now threatened with extinction, vanishing at a rate not seen in 10 million years. Overall, the UN hopes to persuade all countries to pledge to put at least 30% of their land and sea areas under conservation by 2030. Currently, only about 17% of the world's land area falls under some sort of protection, while less than 8% of the global ocean is protected. The negotiators said the draft deal is still riddled with bracketed phrases, indicating a lack of agreement and ongoing discussion on hundreds of points. Some of the toughest areas include how to ensure poor nations will have the funding needed to restore degraded areas, whether to include efforts to curb climate warming emissions, and whether to impose a deadline for phasing out pesticides.